So before we start, who can remind me what did we learn last time?
Me,
How
Nancy.
to divide.
Miss, about
We
the
learned about
dividend and reminder
Yes.
and
we learned
divisor.
about quotient. We learned about
Yeah.
divisor.
Divisors,
So let us,
divisor, dividend, and reminder.
yeah, so let us remember them together. So we learned about, first of all, the dividend
Dividend, divisor,
and
quotient.
divisor and
Quotient.
quotient. What else?
Remainder.
Remainder. Very good. And we took a lot of examples. Let us do one of them. Yes.
Miss Mana,
Oh.
قالين قالين حتفوت زوم بس هي بتليفون مش مع اليوم.
Okay. Yeah. So 27. Let us divide 27 by 5. Okay. So what's the number you multiplied by 5 to get 27? Well, 27, it's not in the multiplication table of 5. So the nearest one is 5. So 5 times 5 is
25. Yesterday I was revising
25.
that with my teacher.
25. Okay, when I'm done, you can tell me whatever you want, but I'm explaining, so please just pay attention. Yeah, 7 minus 5,
2.
2. 2 minus 2,
0.
0. Guys, you should always pay attention to, let us first tell what each represent. What does the 27 represent?
Divisor.
Dividend.
Dividend.
Yeah, this 5 is
The
the
5
Divisor. Divisor.
what about this 5?
other 5 is
Quotient.
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 And what does
2 is the remainder.
the 2 is the
Reminder.
remain.
is 2.
مش reminder. I'm not reminding you of something. It's the يا مس في شغلة بدكم تستوعبوها please. When I'm talking you have to listen to me. ما معقول كون أنا عم بحكي you are talking at the same time. ما بقى بنسمع بعض. Please عم بعطيكم hint. Remainder it's from the word remain. Okay? Remain يعني what's left. So it's remainder and not reminder. Reminder when I remind you of something that you know. Yeah, this is the remainder. Guys, please always double check that the remainder here, it's less than the divisor. The remainder should always be less than the divisor. Is the remainder less than the divisor now?
Yes.
Then your answer is correct. If the remainder is less than the divisor, then your answer is correct. If the remainder is bigger than the divisor, means there's something wrong.
Okay.
Okay, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Miss, we want to write it?
No. Now I just want you to pay attention to the board because now we are going to write something which is very important. So now I'm going to teach you how do you write the Euclidean division. Okay? So now I'm going to start by our new objective for this lecture. Okay? So I want you to pay attention very well because now you are going to learn something new. We are going to learn the Euclidean division. How do we write the Euclidean division? I want you now to pay attention. We are trying to write 27, right? So we write 27, which is the dividend. It's equal to. We open a bracket. Okay, what do we do?
Open a bracket.
A bracket. What do we put inside the bracket? What we are multiplying. What did we multiply?
25.
نحن عملنا multiply ل 25 يا miss. نحن عملنا multiply ل two numbers. What are the two numbers that we multiplied them?
2 and 5.
يا miss, think before you answer. تعرفوا الجواب. إذا بدكم تكبوا رقم بسرعة هتحطوه غلط. Think well. What are the two numbers that we multiplied them?
27 and
25. 27 and 25.
27 و 25 عملنا لهم multiply ولا عملنا لهم subtract؟
5 and 5.
Think well then. Guys, please think before you answer.
5 and 5.
شفتوا بس فكرتوا كيف عرفتوا الجواب؟ 5 and 5. So we multiplied 5 times 5. Very good. But what's 5 times 5?
25.
Is 25 equal to 27?
No.
So till now, this statement, it's not correct. Because 27 is not equal to 5 times 5. It's equal to 5 times 5, it's 25, very good, but plus 2. Let us check. What's 5 times 5?
25.
Plus 2.
25.
27.
So now they are equal. So when you want to write the Euclidean division, you have to put here the dividend. The dividend, it's equal to the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder.
بس هو ضروري يكتبون.
ها ضروري تكتبون. ها درسنا يعلمك كيف تكتب هاي. So أنا لا بيهمني الديفيجن ولا بيهمني شيء، بيهمني تعرف تكتب هاي.
Okay.
يلا pay attention very well. I'm going to write the rule and then we are going to apply. So we learned that we write the dividend. I'm going to write it in capital. Dividend. It's equal to, we open a bracket, the divisor times what?
Quotient.
Times what? Very good. Times the quotient. Excellent. Plus what?
Remainder.
Excellent. Remainder. Very good. That's the rule. That's the general rule that you need to study very well. هلا بعد شوي حخليكم تكتبوها, but now just pay attention to the board. Suppose here we have the number. Suppose that we have the number, okay, 16 or 17. Great. 17 is equal to what? 2 times
8.
8. Excellent. 2 times 8 is what?
16.
16.
Plus
So we put plus
Plus 2. Plus 1.
1. Plus 1. Very good. So the dividend, which
Plus
is the
1.
17, is equal to 2 times 8 plus 1. Right?
Right.
يلا. Let us do another example. أنا بعطيكم I should give you the dividend and the divisor إجباري. So I will give you the dividend, which is 23 is equal to 2 times. Yeah. خليها ما حتى ما نصعبها هلا شوي. 4 times. Yeah. يلا think well. 4 times what?
4 times 5.
4 times 5. Excellent. What's 4 times 5, guys?
It's 20.
1.
20. Then plus
3.
3.
3.
Okay?
Yeah.
يلا هلا I will choose you one by one to answer.
ميمة.
يلا one by one أنا قلت. أوكي حبلش one by one. يعني كلكم حتاخدوا دور. يعني بدي الكل يركز. يلا يا لانا. لانا ready?
Okay.
يلا.
Yes.
17. It's equal to let us put here 5.
Five times 5 times 5.
5 times 5, Yalana, it's 25, which is a big number with respect to 17.
5 times 2 plus 7.
3. 5 times 3.
مين اللي عم بيجاوب؟ It's Lana's turn.
5 times 3.
Excellent, because 5 times 3 is 15,
15.
which is the closest
Plus
for
2.
17. Plus 2. Excellent, يا Lana. Very good. Yeah. Amal? Amal?
Yes.
Yeah. 20, Anna, 25 equal, and the divisor is 4.
Yes. $25 equal.
Yeah. 4 times what equals 25?
Just wait. Four times.
لا خليها أمل تجاوب.
4 times 20. 4 times
يلا ركزي يا أمل معنا.
24 ولا 25؟
25. يلا ركزي معنا منيح يا أمل، وليت الأم برجع بنقيكي. يلا نانسي.
It's 5.
4 times 5.
It equals 20.
إيه بس ما بعد في أكتر من 20 يا مس. 4 times
4 times 24.
يا الله. 4 times 6 يا مس. 4 times 6 is
Can I say it?
24 plus 1. مس ركزوا بليز. بدي الأقرب شيء ل 20 مزبوطة، بس منا ال 20 أقرب شيء ل 25 because 4 times 6 is 24 which is closer to 25.
23.
يلا علي فواز. علي فواز, the others mute yourself. علي فواز. Ali, are you able to unmute yourself?
Yes, I just had a problem with the internet.
Okay, Ali. So if I have 28, okay, 28,
Okay.
and the divisor is 9.
Okay.
Yalla, what do you think, Ali? 9 times what?
9 times 3 is
Excellent.
27.
Very good. Plus?
Plus a remainder 1.
Very good, ya Ali. Thank you. Ali Hamoud.
Yes, miss.
Yalla, عنا 13. Oh, sorry, it's 13. Okay?
13
Very well.
equals
أنا بدي أعطيك الديفايزر which is 6. Yeah.
6.
Yalla, what's the number you multiplied by 6 to get 13?
2.
2. Very good. 6 times 2 قد إيه يا علي؟
6 times 2, 13.
لا, 6 times 2 is
12, sorry.
12. بس هي 13. So what's the remainder?
The remainder
هي
is
لازم
12.
لا يا مس 6 times 2 هي 12. بس أنا عندي 13. So what's left for 13 if it's 12?
1.
1. So the remainder is 1. Okay, علي مش الحال؟ كريم
Yes.
Karim Bitar. The others
Yes,
will be
miss.
12. Yalla, Karim. If we have 17, okay, but this time the divisor is, sorry, it's equal. The divisor is 8.
Okay. That times 2.
Very good. 8 times 2 is 16. So what's the remainder?
1.
Excellent, Karim. Very good. Yeah. Now I will choose حسن. يلا يا حسن.
اوكي
بدي صعب لك إياها يا حسن.
اوكي
Yeah. عنا 74. It's 8 times what?
8 times 8 times 7
ديما
ركز. Miss, the others mute yourself يا miss. يلا حسن. 8 times what?
8 times 8
8 times 8 is 64. كتير بعيدة عن 74.
8 times 9
Very good. What's 8 times 9?
76
قد ايه؟
75
قد ايه؟
8 times 9 73
72 يا miss.
على طول بلخبط فيها
يلا, so what's the remainder?
2 plus
Very
2.
good. Excellent. Yeah. هلا كريم كردي.
Yes.
يلا يا كريم. عنا 38. Okay. وعنا divisor 6.
6 times 6.
Excellent. Plus.
Plus 2.
برافو يا كريم. Excellent حبيبي. Very good. بس خلينا نشوف مين عمل join هلا. يا. هلا بدي ميرا.
Yes.
يلا يا ميرا. إذا عنا خلينا نقول 65. Okay. 65 and the divisor is 8. يلا يا ميرا. يلا, what's the number you multiplied by 8 to get 65? تعرفي يا ميرا؟ ميرا عم بحكي معك. ميرا. Do you know what's the number you multiplied by 8 to get 65?
Miss, can I say it?
بدي اسمع ميرا ليش مش عم ترد علي بس. ماشي. رواد.
Miss Mana. Yes.
يلا يا رواد. Do you know what's the number you multiplied by 8 to get 65?
You get 65. Multiply, we get 65.
Miss 8 times 6.
8 times 6 is 48. It's too small. يعني بعد في كتير. يلا, what's the
Miss, 8 times 11.
Guys, it's Rawad's turn. يلا رواد. 8 times
This
what?
times 11.
لا يا miss. ليش 8 times 11?
Can I say?
Who's talking?
Jude.
Yes, Jude dear. أكيد you can say.
Miss 8 times
يلا جود.
8 times 8.
Very good, Jude. It's 8 times 8, which is 64. Then what's the remainder, ya Jude?
Miss Arthur.
What?
If 8 times 8 is 64, then what's the remainder?
Remainder is 5.
Yeah, miss, 64. And the number is 65. Then what's the remainder?
1.
1.
Amir? Amir?
ارجع مانوس جونيور إيمان.
Amir? Talia? Are you ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Talia, we have 30.
Okay.
Sorry, let me write 31. And the divisor is 3.
31.
Mhm.
The divisor is 3. Nine and 10.
Yes, excellent. It's 3 times 10, which is 30. Then what's the remainder?
1.
Excellent, Talia. Very good.
Thank you.
Welcome. يلا مين بعد ما عمل بالمرة ولا ماري؟
لا مس أنا نانسي.
يلا هلا خليني أعمل ماري بيجي على نانسي.
Yes.
يلا ماري. يلا ماري. 63 is 6 times. Yes, Mary, I can hear you. يلا نانسي.
Yes.
6 times 6.
لا أكتر يا مس.
6 times what equals 63?
Jude,
Yes.
you know the answer?
Miss 7.
I'm talking to Jude. يلا Jude.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
I joined late because the internet wasn't bad and it stayed off for a long time. So when I joined, you were doing half and I didn't understand.
It's okay, ya miss. Never mind. But now I will ask you, what's the number you multiplied by 6 to get 63? What do you
is
think?
9.
It's
You
more than
can't-
9. It's
9.
no. Ali, do you know the
7
answer?
times 9.
8.
10
It's 10. Thank you, Ali.
plus 3.
It's excellent. It's 6 times 10, which is 60 plus 3. I'm going to tell you something, guys. Okay? Listen to me very well. Those who didn't answer them or didn't know how to say the number quickly, that means they didn't understand or don't memorize the multiplication table, all of it. So those who didn't answer quickly means they still have problems in the multiplication table. لأنه ما معقول أنتوا grade 4 learners عم بسألكم what's the number you multiplied by 6 to get 63 مش عارفين إنه 10. مظبوط؟ هيدي بالمultiplication table ولا لا؟ يلا answer me. Is it found in the multiplication table or not?
Yes.
So you still have problems in the multiplication table, right?
Yes.
And I'm telling you guys, if you didn't study well the multiplication table, you will still have problems in this lesson. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Now I'm going to do the last example, okay? And I advise you, you still have time for next Monday to study.
A quiz this week.
This week, no, the second week, the coming week.
Second week we will take a new lecture.
No, how can I explain a new lecture and you didn't understand this yet?
We have a quiz.
Okay, so the last thing I'm going to explain for now is how do we write the Euclidean division from this. Yeah, I'm going to put here, let us put 74. Okay, I'm going to put 74, and here I'm going to put 9.
Don't solve the homework.
Yeah, what's 9 times, what's the number you multiplied by 9 to get 74? Yalla ya miss.
All of us.
Yes.
It's
9
8.
times 8. Yeah.
Yes, 9 times 8. Okay, so times 8. What's 9 times 8?
72.
72. Very good. And now I'm going to subtract them. Right?
Yes.
4 minus 2.
2.
7 minus 7.
2.
0.
0. Yeah. Let us write the name of each. Okay?
The 8 is the quotient.
What's the 74?
Dividend.
What's the 9?
Division.
What's the 8?
Quotient.
Quotient.
And what's the 2?
Remain.
Remain.
Remainder.
And if I want to write that the dividend is equal to the divisor times,
Is equal 9.
wait a minute, plus remainder,
Remain.
then
Dividend.
the dividend, which is يلا يا محمد علي, محمد حمود.
Divided 74 equals.
Yes, miss.
يلا يا محمد, what's the dividend? The others, please mute yourself.
My
محمد حمود.
multiplication by 8.
Guys, please mute yourself. يلا يا محمد حمود. What's the dividend? محمد حمود.
Yes.
What's the dividend?
Divided 74.
74. Yes, it's equal to. We open a bracket. What's the divisor?
22.
Divisor يا miss. حسين عسيلي.
Equal.
حسين عسيلي. أمير.
9 times 8.
أمير. أمير. Yeah. What's the divisor?
7 times. 9 times 8.
يا مس بدي أمير يا مس, ما بيصير هيك, اليوم كتير عذبته اليوم. يلا يا أمير, what's the divisor?
Divisor. 7 times 9.
يا مس طلع باللي يا مس هون الديفايزر قد ايه يا مس؟ مش هي الديفايزر؟ مش هيدا الديفايزر؟
9
Miss, can I answer?
times what's the quotient? 8 plus the remainder, which is
2.
2. Okay.
Miss, won't we solve the worksheet?
هي
يعني the
worksheet.
homework?
يا مس ما مش محرز كلهم 3 يعني عشان تعملون